Tired, wired, moody, gaining weight, can't sleep. It could be stress, but have you checked your circadian rhythm? I bet you it's out of sync. Our circadian rhythm is basically the body's master clock, kind of like this. The circadian rhythm runs everything from hormones, actually hormones that release metabolism, mood, and sleep. But unfortunately, our modern life wreaks havoc on our circadian rhythm. And what it happens, we get brain fog, we have trouble sleeping, we get cravings, right? Those snacks at night. What does that do? Causes weight gain, right? Cortisol, this regulation, inflammation, exhaustion, even though that wired but tired, right? Or even though we wake up in the morning and we still feel tired. So when our circadian rhythm's off, what are a couple of things that we can do to get it back on track? Listen, these are actionable tips you can actually start today. So get morning sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. This is so important, okay? Within 30 minutes of waking up, you should go outside and get some natural sunlight, okay? It resets your brain and cortisol rhythm. Even if you just sit out there and get sunlight, drink your coffee, your tea, your water, okay? Perfect. And if you mix that with exercise, even better, taking a walk. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Okay, this is really difficult, I understand. But your hormones do need consistency, and this can help reset the circadian rhythm. Eat your biggest meal in daytime hours, okay? Your body digests best when the sun is up. You don't want that digestion occurring. This is part of the reason why we say don't eat late at night. Shut down screens and blue light 1 to 2 hours before bed. Remember, blue light kills natural melatonin in the brain. And then move your body during the day, right? Movement locks in the natural rhythm that we have, our natural circadian rhythm. We want movement for many reasons, but this is another piece of why we want movement. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and distraction free. Your brain sleeps best when it thinks that it's nighttime, okay? Why does this matter, right? So in perimenopause, hormones shift worse, right? And actually the hormone shifts makes the circadian rhythm disruption worse. And when the rhythm is off, you get worse cortisol spiking, worse sleep problems, and worse inflammation than we're already getting from the estrogen deficiency. So fixing or helping our circadian rhythm, fixing the clock, will help us. It's another tool in the toolbox to help us get our whole hormone system in alignment, okay? So do these quick tips. It's again a tool in the toolbox with all the other things we talk about. And let's take this step to feeling better and more like ourselves again.